Roll number 40237. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Jesus Cetis Carlote. I'm 43 years old. I'm a single. I have a college graduate, taking up hotel and restaurant management here in the Philippines. I am second in family. I have two brothers and I have two sisters. I experienced in domestic helper in Qatar in 2 years and I finished my contract with the Mexican family of two sons, 12 years old and then 9 years old son and a 6 years old sons.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go in Hong Kong because I support my mother for her medicines and also support myself.
What can you do for children?
I do for my children for teach them to how to do the proper hygienes and give the good foods and vitamins.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in taking the old person to take care them and then to support when take her a bath and then give her good foods and give her vitamins.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I do cooking foods and then I do car washing and sometimes I do ironing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook, ma'am, chop suey and then steamed fish and then Arabic food. I can cook biryani food, chicken biryani.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am a strong woman, independent, and I have a hardworking woman, and I have a flexible.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry. I say sorry for my.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
My employer treat me as the member of our family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I do all your instruction. I promise to love your family and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you, ma'am, sir. God bless.